Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 bakery vocabularies, sentences in English. A bakery is a wonderful place filled with fresh bread, delicious cakes, tasty pastries and useful baking tools. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skill, learn bakery vocabulary and build English vocabulary. Let's visit the bakery and start learning. Bakery food. Bread. Fresh bread smells wonderful. Bread. Fresh bread smells wonderful. Bun. The bun is soft and tasty. Bun. The bun is soft and tasty. Croissant. The croissant is flaky. Croissant. The croissant is flaky. Muffin. The muffin is sweet. Muffin. The muffin is sweet. Cupcake. The cupcake has colorful frosting. Cupcake. The cupcake has a colorful frosting. Cake. The cake is delicious. Cake. The cake is delicious. Donut. The donut is round and sweet. Donut. The donut is round and sweet. Cookie. The cookie is crunchy. Cookie. The cookie is crunchy. Brownie. The brownie is chocolatey. Brownie. The brownie is chocolatey. Pastry. The pastry is fresh. Pastry. The pastry is fresh. Sweet treats. Pie. The pie is warm. Pie. The pie is warm. Tart. The tart has fresh fruit. Tart. The tart has fresh fruit. Cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll smells amazing. Cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll smells amazing. Macaron. The macaron is colorful. Macaron. The macaron is colorful. Eclair. The eclair has creamy inside. Eclair. The eclair has creamy inside. Swiss roll. The Swiss roll is soft. Swiss roll. The Swiss roll is soft. Fruitcake. The fruitcake has dry fruits. Fruitcake. The fruitcake has dry fruits. Cheesecake. The cheesecake is creamy. Cheesecake. The cheesecake is creamy. Waffle. The waffle is crispy. Waffle. The waffle is crispy. Puff pastry. The puff pastry is light. Puff pastry. The puff pastry is light. Baking tools. Oven, the oven bakes bread. Oven, the oven bakes bread. Whisk, the whisk mixes eggs. Whisk, the whisk mixes eggs. Rolling pin, the rolling pin flattens dough. Rolling pin, the rolling pin flattens dough. Mixing bowl, the mixing bowl holds flour. Mixing bowl, the mixing bowl holds flour. Baking tray, the baking tray goes into the oven. Baking tray, the baking tray goes into the oven. Spatula, the spatula spreads cream. Spatula, the spatula spreads cream. Measuring cup, the measuring cup measures milk. Measuring cup, the measuring cup measures milk. Measuring spoon, the measuring spoon measures sugar. Measuring spoon, the measuring spoon measures sugar. Sifter, the sifter makes flour smooth. Sifter, the sifter makes flour smooth. Piping bag, the piping bag decorates cakes. Piping bag, the piping bag decorates cakes. Bakery shop items. Bakery counter, the bakery counter display cakes. Bakery counter, the bakery counter display cakes. Display shelf, the display shelf looks colorful. Display shelf, the display shelf looks colorful. Cash register, the cash register counts money. Cash register, the cash register counts money. Bakery box, the bakery box keeps cakes safe. Bakery box, the bakery box keeps cakes safe. Cake stand, the cake stand looks beautiful. Cake stand, the cake stand looks beautiful. Bread basket, the bread basket holds fresh bread. Bread basket, the bread basket holds fresh bread. Apron, the baker wears an apron. Apron, the baker wears an apron. Chef hat, the chef hat is white. Chef hat, the chef hat is white. Tongs, the tongs pick up bread. Tongs, the tongs pick up bread. Bakery menu, the bakery menu shows yummy treats. Bakery menu, the bakery menu shows yummy treat. Modern bakery items. Bread slicer, the bread slicer cuts bread evenly. Bread slicer, the bread slicer cuts bread evenly. Dough mixer, the dough mixer mixes dough quickly. Dough mixer, the dough mixer mixes dough quickly. Electric mixer. The electric mixer whips cream. Electric mixer. The electric mixer whips cream. Digital kitchen scale. The digital kitchen scale measures ingredients. Digital kitchen scale. The digital kitchen scale measures ingredients. Cake turntable. The cake turntable helps decorates cake. Cake turntable. The cake turntable helps decorate cakes. Cooling rack. The cooling rack cools cookies. Cooling rack. The cooling rack cools cookies. Cookie cutter. The cookie cutter makes fun shapes. Cookie cutter. The cookie cutter makes fun shapes. Bakery delivery van. The bakery van delivers fresh bread. Bakery delivery van. The bakery van delivers fresh bread. Bakery. The bakery sells fresh treats every day. Bakery. The bakery sells fresh treats every day. Bread machine. The bread machine bakes bread automatically. Bread machine. The bread machine bakes bread automatically. Amazing job, kids! Today we learned 50 bakery vocabulary sentences, bakery food and bakery tools. Now you can name many bakery foods and baking tools in English with confidence. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye!